Tongatapu mo a fio ai tō tahai o tua. Aia kuni a fio he tau Tonga. Whātulau atu ki hei lana tangitangi o roto parasi. Tahine Princess Pule. Princess Alote mawhile o pilo le tuita. Na koe whakawhalangi o e aho whakoloa KOENI. Whakatapu ki he ono I kua ngā. E King tupo ono. Kuina naspau. Tama Prinis Kalauni tupo toa LOLOHEA. Princess Naitakala tuko aho mo whare o a mo ofu. Whakatapu he ni ki he ekpale mea leo. Tongatapu a muaske Latu. Whakatapu ki he ek minista ako leo. Kua kawa meriko. Mo tolko dope kau whalangi. O mo I heni I hoa KOENI. Tala mo ka pui pe talangata he ia te ao o whaiki to o mamao. Kai ata mua mo I whine mutuani ke whakatau ke atu e tau POLOKALAMA mahu inga o e ahoni. Aia, kua no tanpo, no toi langa o e tau a Faa'imata o e FAKAMALO ngā Tonga. Ula mata toa o mi moa ha ngofua ke hoko atu I helea whapapalangi. I hereby acknowledge the presence of the Almighty God in our midst, who has made it possible for us to be here today to witness the groundbreaking ceremony of Faa'imata Clock Tower for Tonga High School. Your Royal Highness, the Princess Royal, Princess Alote Mawhile o Pilole Tuita, our most honored guests. We would like to acknowledge and pay our utmost respect to their Majesties King Tupo VI and Queen Nanaspau, Crown Prince Tupo Toa Ukalala, Crown Princess Naitakala Tukaho, and the royal household of Moheofo. To the Acting Prime Minister, Dr. William Moske, the Acting Minister of Education and Training, Huakawa Meliku, honored guests, ladies and gentlemen. Please follow closely our programs that have been given out. Now, first hymn will be read out by Mafi Tai Uluafi, who is the head boy, so Sefo Falekoula Mailangi. The opening hymn, 114 from the Free Wesleyan Church Hymn Book.
Koe wholofola himi te tau kamata ke POLOKALAMA hoa tāni. Koe himi te au hongo fulu mawha. Taha taha wha o himi. Mō kātaki o mea ki o runga ke tau hiva. Eiki koe ofa a au, koe moana loloto. Pea ngalo hifo ki ai, e ku ngahi angahia. Pea kua ufi ufi, e ku kovi kotoa pe. Vesi whakaosi. I he vai hoksino, pea vai mo loto. E poupou e he taulani, Hoku lau maare hori. Pea wongoi o ilo ai ofa tae ngata.
Please be seated. Our Bible reading for today will be read out by council members Daniel Fale and Joyce Murphy.
Psalm 127, Psalm 127, all 5 verses. Except the Lord build the house, they labor in vain that build it. Except the Lord keep the city, the watchman waketh but in vain. It is vain for you to rise up early, to sit up late, to eat the bread of sorrows, for so he giveth his beloved sleep. Lo, children are an heritage of the Lord, and the fruit of the womb is his reward. As arrows are in the hand of a mighty man, so are children of the youth. Happy is the man that hath his quiver full of them. They shall not be ashamed, but they shall speak with the enemies in the gate.
Da Latu. Eke o matala e whatsame koe ahoina e whotu he awhiana a hon fulmana siulai. E tau whakaloa KOENI wanoa wano. Pai hene pehe koe aho ke mau whawhie whia ai. Ko aho ke mau tome e ai. Pe whakaloa ai haua KOENI. Mea pea e whanua. E wakai atu e tonga kotoa ki he tō whalwhala e tamatui. I he tu utau e lot whakarisiane hatau e wangi au. Ako kawa i ngā tō whahala pēka mautō. Ko ia pole e pole pē i he iki. Ko ia viki, ke viki pē i a kalaisi. Ia pehe pēa e mea heine e tahine e whawhe whalanglangi. Ai tahine prinsesi salote mawhire pilo levu tuita. Kau mawhi ta luafi mola matatoa. Pa moe hau eike o e whanua. Pa ako maalonga o Tonga. Ia mau whawhetai ai. Koe a whakaloa KOENI. Kau tala pe o whawhala. Koe hakoa ho whamatala ki he uasi. Ho whamatala ki he tauhitai mi. Pea mau whamalo ai. Koe whawhala. O e ahon. Uki pea mautō. Ko koe uke whai e langa. Ko koe uke o hake. Ai mau whanau. Tala mai he tangata malanga. Koe mea kotoa pe uke ahano taimi. Ka mohono aha kotofa ke whenga kotoa pe i he laulangi. Koe aho ke whanaui. Moe aho ke pekia. Koe aho ke tō. Moe aho ke tāki a mea kotoa. Koe aho ke tāmatei. Moe aho ke whaitō ke maui. Koe aho ke haloki. Moe aho ke langa. Koe aho ke tangi. Moe aho ke kata. Koe aho ke te ingihia. Koe aho ke me. Koe aho ke laku maka. Moe aho ke tufu maka. Ka aho ke whaafua mo aho ke whai me whaafua. Ka aho ke kumi mo aho ke tuke mole. Ka aho ke tauhi mo aho ke riaki. Ka aho ke hai mo aho ke tuitui. Ka aho ke silongo mo aho ke rea. Ka aho ke ofa mo aho ke whihia. Ka aho e tau mo aho e merino. Maloa whawhetai o maulau maarie ko e whakoloa koe ke langi ia e whawhetai ia pe whamalo ia ho huawha malo eki wha koe whiala lei pēr e tamatui ki te pauano ka mai tahine KOENI na naspau tahine ni ko pilo revu pa motong huawha peho alo sisu kalais ka ko mau whamaui. Amen.
Ko le peki he Palestini o he TUTUKU. Pai whekao toke tāwhike mawhi in whakahoko atu a lea taritari o e ahoni. Mahalo.
Abasia ke o tua. Tabat ke feituna taine princess. Pea kukore ke whakamalu at mua he ngai whakatapu. Nai whea he kamataanga o whehui angan. Kautalango fua ke he POLOKALAMA o e ahoni. Ko e rea taritari. Feituna. Ka kou manatu. Ke ki motua ko e loea ki motua loea a ula matatoa. Pero ne hiki fo o ki hono office fo o na toki langa. Pero aho na kamata ai ine ngā au hono office fo o. Ko hu atu e matapure ki hono office pero kune ai ke mahino oku femo e kina. He pongi pongi ko ia. Pero ne sio mai pero ku hu atu e matapure pero kune toa ha ke telefonio. Lea leo lahi he telefonio. Ikai, he kai ke whakalerei. Ko ho boy fai, ka boy whakarerei te mau eke mo mau whaha i ni makilu pe dog fai. Tala ke whakamau mea ko iapa te tau toksio ke a bongbong. O si koe pa ne tuku hiwa telefoni. Pe a whakarea mai ke matapure ko na i hua atu. Ka taki lahi pe ngā ue. Ka kua mea te mawala tokoni atuai. Pe he mai matapure. Ka taki ko hau me kau taha telefoni. Ke hoko ho telefoni he utikai ke hoko ia. Tahin. Oku pehe ai whatongia e. Ko ai ke whakawhei loa ke taritari whei tūna. Ka ko ho mea mai pe au ki api. Ko hae ku mea tue taritari whei tūna. Ka sai peu ka ngepe ko ki motua tari telefoni. Tu be ke talango fua. Ka ko mea mai be au ki api. Na ke mai moa I heni pe koe. Pe koe ke fo ha me aia ke feitu una. Koe ua e whekauna e tala mai ki au. Koe rea e whai whakapapalangi. Koe ia. Toki ao ngā he ni ngā mo ua koe he rea whakatonga. 79 years ago, the Crown Prince and Prime Minister Tupoto Tungi, he had a vision that excellence is found not only in urban centers, but are abound in distant small villages and remote little islands throughout the kingdom. Today, 79 years later, this vision of excellence, although originally introduced as simply academic, however, we have noted that the school motto, Kihe Lele Taha, has gone far beyond the realms of only academic achievements to cover all walks of life. From local weavers and fishermen to prominent figures in islands and villages. From civil servants in the government to cabinet ministers, not to mention prime ministers. From local and regional athletics all the way up to the Olympics and world-renowned rugby players. Yes, Kihelele Taha has contributed to Tonga in numerous ways and in all walks of life. And of course, unfortunately, as it is, we have some taking courses at the university next to our fellow Maroons of Paula College. But perhaps most satisfying to me personally is Tonga High School's contribution to the clergy of the many congregations in Tonga and abroad. That brings us to this blessed occasion today, on this very special piece of land, a place where many generations had their minds and hearts shaped and molded, and where we hope this tradition of excellence continue far beyond the future. But as we break ground to celebrate the beginning of the building of Faa'imata Clock Tower, the many experts of Tongan language and traditions, which are of not short supply at Tonga High School, will of course be discussing what is the meaning of Faa'imata. So why not let this potential meaning of Faa'imata be considered at the next 5-hour circle? That Faa'imata can mean having a holistic or 360-degree view. I believe this may be one of the surest ways to achieve Kihelele Taha. However, it is very rare that the best be achieved by a single effort. Rather, it is a collective commitment of different talents, variety of abilities, and gifts. Only then that the best would eventually rise to the top. King Tubo V surmised the idea well, and I may be paraphrasing from Tongan into English, that The best decision is the one that fits the circumstance and situation of the day. So when the best is achieved, is that the end? Or is there another call? I am led to believe that the founder of Tonga High School himself has already provided the answer as he established Tonga High School on this very ground, which was long ago known as Ufi Mo'ota. Yes, Ufi Mo'ota. Your Royal Highness, allow me to share a quick story about Ufi Mo'ota. The civil war in Tonga was coming to an end. Tau Whaaha was tui hapai and tui wamau, not yet to Paul. The civil strife followed by a long dry spell of 1 year, and famine was severe in Tongatapu. However, during this same year, Tau Whaahau had cultivated hapai and wamau to a bounty unheard of in Tonga for decades. After the harvest of the two northern groups, Tau Whaahau came to Ufi Mo'ota with surplus of hapai and wamau, and he distributed yams to every village and community in Tongatapu. What a sight was that! Consequently, I believe it is only fair to say that the founder of Tonga High School also intended that kihelele taha includes providing for and serving others. Providing for and serving others. The very commandment Jesus gave his disciples to love one another. I can only imagine this putting a smile in God's face. Imagine that. Tonga High School and Tonga High School ex-students of all people putting a smile in God's face. Hopefully, Faa'imata will stand here to be a reminder for all those who came here yesterday and all who are here today, and for all who will come here tomorrow, reminding them of these notable attributes. May God continue to bless you all, harvesting excellence wherever you are. Your Royal Highness, I am also pleased to announce that the contract to build the Faa'imata clock tower, after a very competitive bidding, progress, and screening, has been awarded to MK Group, which is owned by Mr. David Tamaka, a young, resourceful son of Tonga High School, class of 2000. To the guest of honor, Your Royal Highness, Princess Charlotte Mafleo Pilorev Tuita, welcome home again. To all invited guests, welcome. To all friends and families of Tonga High School, welcome. To the principal and staff, to Mafita Ulwafi and the students, be nice. Trust God, always striving to the best, and enjoy your days at our beloved school. Malo Pito.
Ula matatoa, wha mole mole pē kai whai at mua ki kore whi matamua koe ni. Ki dain pin se si, wha mole mole, kai whakahokoange, ai tan pou, o e taua Faa'imata. Te ukole heni ki he tokotaha ko ia na ne mao ai piti ke contractor, te vita maka, wha mole mole, ka tak mai, o awe tahine ki he whetu o whai ai tan pou, pia ke hoko hoko atu pia mo kau whakawhi whalangi.
Hoko atu pia e POLOKALAMA ia e Hawatāni. Ki he au au tanpou o e taua Faa'imata. Hange ko ia na e whakatau kei tātai ki Palestini ka ko e Palestine malolo isa si Hawaii. Mea mai tahine Princess Pule, Princessi Charlotte Maflea Pilore Tuita. Ko whakatau kei kia ia tō taha tene whakahoko a ngā weni. Te vitamaka ko taha ia ka wako tutuku o ta ua awhi. Ko whakaola e ngā we. Kula ki Savolo, tahine Princess Pule o e whanua. Princess Charlotte Maflea Pilore Tuita. Whahako mai ai ngā hi whatongia ma ngā hi ngāwe koe ni. Ai ako ngāwe ki ai pure ako. Ana vei koso kau mā e toenga kau ngāwe. Ako mea whiwena e minsta ko reo reo. Wakawa meriku kau mā e tokon pare mia Tonga. Urea mi waske Latu. Kau whatahatu, mong nau tolu i kosrio, suane hawa tukoniwa, ma lelenoa. Mo e tangatai ki whakau, tataki o wau e pahoni. Kau toketa taria i New Mexico. Hoka to pe ka wa ko tutuku mo ke na utol ko ya i he kosirio ai malari pe aho mahu ngai ni ku ona to ai re o ka wifi mari ta ha i fo boa o to mani ko e ka wifi ko ya ai ako malunga Tonga ko mai ko e na utol ni na ka mai ka fa ta mai ka wa ko tutuku ko kosirio i he whiawhia he nau kau he aha mahau inga koe. Koe taua whoki na e holoki hange koe mea a whekemathi koe ngahi koloa fufu i a pini. Ai aku whatautau aki. Ai ako maalunga Tonga. Kia ia e pai ni motu. O kia ia e Faa'imata. Koe ngahi kakala. Oku whatautau aki api mo e ako anga. Lawe ia tu ai se tau mo peau ko pita moala ko kalafu moala. Ienta mo e kau ofisa malunga o e potunga o ako he peta ke whanga. I he kau mai ki he taktaha ngā Savolo ki he ngā weni. Ei koe nai whakatau kei ane nai e toketaha whekemathi. Toketaha kone whakako e ngā weni ko te vita maka. Ai ko tō tahani, ko taha i ka wako tutuku. Ai nai piti mai o mau ai ngā ue koe ni, pia koe tene whakahoko. Whamafola whakahanga tonu, mei he ako maalunga Tonga. Me tau reti o walfit koe ni maa whaema, kia whiake ki whakamalo ia. Ai tau sponsor ki Hawatāni. Pamalo fo ki Tongatapu SIMIONE LOLOHEA. Koe ki LAUTALA LASIKE. Koe toa koe tau tahiwa whituwalu. Tokoni lahi. Moe pou mai ke FAKAMAFOLA ngā weni. Au taki a ke ngai lot whare o Tongani o tau radio wala 6.5 mai whaimai. Te whoki he ngai family he o te morena. Si kau ngā ako tutuku. O ke nau tolu kotoa pe i o te morena. O ku nau kau he whiawhia a honi. Hange pe ku tau i ako maalunga tonga ai whiawhia ke kau whataha. Lawe i atu o ku kau mai he polokalama i he ngahi tanu pou o e taua Faa'imata. Ai Palestine ako e saswe sirana tawa taina Tonga. Kai kau toke ta ngatea whanua kata. Ai aku hoko mai agi nau tolu koeni. Nau kau whata. Kai e tui koe ngata ngai a o e ngā weni i he whakaola. Pea mo e tanu pou, ko tau au sia e he lolo tonga ni. Pea i he ene pe he.
Ko tau hoa, pea ko mahino ai tuutai ai ako maalunga tonga. Tau kōkole ki whai whekau toki tātari ai ni me tōlu. Whamore mole kai tāpua ki i ai tanu pou o e ahoni.
Malo, mō pata ki whaila tuku la monu la tāpuaki, la matatoa ka mawhitai o luafi. Tā hine i se si sala te mawhire pilo revu tuita. O whai pia whoke ngahi whakahua, ka pauna e mea maasi su ki Tongani e ako i Tonga hai. Ka kohono mō ni, koe ai pe ke tala noa, koe ai pe ia whalanga rea pe mo whalanga whehui, e ula matatoa. But imagine that, Jesus coming to Tonga, and you wonder which school that he will go to. And we argue, of course, Jesus will attend Tonga High School. But of course, Mary and Joseph argued. They had a hard time. Look, this is not the tradition. Jesus is the Son of God. We should take Jesus to a church school, like Tupo College, or even Tonga College, St. John. They were many years ahead. We should take the Son of God. But then Joseph keep on arguing. Mary, I don't know why, but the angel told me, take Jesus to Tonga High School. I don't know why. Even I myself don't like it. I don't like it, Jesus going to Tonga High School. But Mary insisted. What is the reason? Tell me the reason. Why should Jesus go to Tonga High School? This may sound like a fool, Mary. But Jesus has to go to Tonga High School. It is the school in the heart of Nuku'alofa. Whababalahi beko bepeo ola matatoa was folfola tu po. To malanga folfola ye centuria lotu. Ya pore I behe tama ia. Ita pole behe eki. Ita wiki behe eki. Ka whaiwhaiange ko huma tamsi ko sisu ki Tonga hai. It's all about him. Kono palpare mai tamsi ko ia. Whange ko e mea mai tahine ko pilo le wanga whakatua whoka tau to e tāno tau tau pe hanga ka whetu. Ko e tahine mea pakoeanga whai e kia. Ka behe sisu. It's all about him. E ko tui pe au ko si tawhahala pe au lak wha pa mo e whaunga. E tau whalanglangi I pe o toa. tau whahiki I pe o toa. Ko pehe pe o hula matatoa, tau pe fuaki he ulak wha a Tonga, mi pau no koe whanua manu I ai. Salama e ofo te mau kāta whoko o tau kete. Tari ai, te ki ai ke pese te taha. Ai ongo I he tonga mo tui koe whanua manu I ai. Ka pau e ofi ke pese te taha. Ha mea pe ala kia e tonga e koula ia. Ha mala e pe. Keke, koe tamasi ko sisu. Hei ka mau whamalo atu. Mea e tahine ko pilo revu ka whafonga e ne a whio pe mo tonga. Ke a whio mai be mau whalalau noa. Ka koe whaunga I a whiona. Ka mo e wasi koen. Ono ngahi nau. Ka mono talau e taimi. Kai koe Tonga High School pe ka ki Tonga pa mo e kuonga. Mo e whalwhala e tamatui. Ke hiki pe ai a whiona. Whalanglangi I pe ai a whiona. Whamalo I a pe ai a whiona. Pea pehe pe ai Faa'imata. Ke haere mai I sisu pa ke tala mai. Na uhinga pe ai whawhonga ia ke sio mai ki a koe sisu. Na uhinga pe ai teringa ia ke whanau atu ki he a whiona. Pea pe koe whanua mono ia pe tonga. O mau si pe ia ngahi mea lahi. Whawhianak mo mamani. Ka mau mono ia ko ia koe a whiona. Tau pagina mai ngā ue KOENI pa mau tua meri e amanak lelei. Pia nofo pe e Faa'imata pia mo e apiako Tonga High School ko koe pe uhiki. Ko koe pe whalanglangi I. Ko koe pe whamalo ia. Ko koe pe sisu o poto. Te taki a mau tolu aho whakawhiawhia en. Aho langi maari, aho whamawhana. A whio e tahine princessi. Ke langlangi ai a whiona. I ngā ue koen. Wafa peho alo, sisu kalais ka ko mau whama ui. Amen.
Mole pe. E toi whai at pe ai kore whi matamua. Ula matatoa. I tahine princesi. Mole. Kai tō mua hakoloa. O tu unga mātua. Mo fin mātua. O ako tutuku ai ako malunga tō ngā. Pe he ki he pure ako. Kau whai ako mo e ako lolo tonga. Malo.
Ko kore ke uhufanga he ngahi whakatapu ko tō peku o sono au whake atu. He whiwhine ne tataki ai kātoa ngani e tui fua. Ka pātolo. Ka tā momo oku ke whamonu hoku koloa ko tō mai me he komite a kolistu tuku. Ako anga maolunga Tonga High School. Praise Almighty God for His mercies and endless grace that has brought us today to this auspicious event. Today is a culmination of collective effort. Above all, it is a day that it was meant to be. The groundbreaking ceremony of the Faa'imata project is like the circle of life, taking us back to the beginning. When the old Tonga High School was built, a clock tower was in place with what our founder, His late Majesty King Taufa'ahautupo IV, envisioned it to be, and he named it Faa'imata. It was a beacon of light, intellectually and spiritually, for all Tongans. In 1947, my father established the matriculation school, now known as Tonga High School. It was the embodiment Thank you, Malo, Rafeta. It was the embodiment of a vision to educate his people and prepare them to take up more prominent leadership positions and empower them to be able to converse and interact in the international, regional, and national arena, irrespective of their backgrounds, but grounded on academic merit and personal achievement. The revival of the Faa'imata clock tower symbolizes our journey towards the 80th anniversary of Tonga High School. As a reflection, remembrance, and reviving of the ideals, the principles, and values that underpinned the foundation of Tonga High School. Faa'imata served and will continue to serve as a reminder to all ex-students and current students alike of who we are and what the Kihelere Taha stands for. Our abiding attitude in life should be Kihelere Taha. Faa'imata brings back sweet memories and will be a point of discussion for everyone. The ex-students of 40 years ago will reminisce of their time at Tonga High School, while those younger ones who grew up without the Faa'imata will now start a new journey with love and forge their own history for the future. This work is a testimony to the Faa'imata taking root among ex-students and a pride in our heritage. Kihelere Taha is the embodiment of all that is good and noble. Regardless where we go in this world, Faa'imata as a symbol will always be here to welcome us back to its fold. It is my distinct pleasure to mark the groundbreaking ceremony of the Faa'imata clock tower. May it always stand tall and proud, exemplifying the motto of Kihelere Taha. Kawa, Nua, Sangone, and Terea, please show your support. O ko whawheta e ke o tua mafi. I he ene tau hirerei e tau mo ui, pe he ke ene meesi mo I keresi, o tau au sia mai ai a whakakoloa KOENI. Koe ahoni, koe tumutumu ia o ngahi mea lala. Ka oku mahulu hake he mea kotoa, koe aho pe ia na e pau ke hoko. Koe o wau tanu pou o polo seki Faa'imata eni, o hange ia koe siakare o mo ui. O whakafoke ki tau tolu ke wheitu na tau kamata me iai. I he taimi nai fuafua langai ai Tonga High School, nai iai e taua Faa'imata. Nai langi mamau a king tau whahau tupo wha, ke whatu eni pea ne whakahingoa ia koe Faa'imata. Koe māma ia ke hanga ki ai Tonga KOTOA. I he taiwa whawhitu, nai whakatu ai e tupo wha ai apiako matike tika, o iloa I he ngahi ahoni, koe apiako maolunga o Tonga, pe koe Tonga High School. Koe whawhotunga ia, o hawi sone ke a koe hono kakai, mo teu I ki nau tolu, ke nau mau hangahi tuunga fisfisi muka, I loa ange, pea whakaivia ki nau tolu, ke nau lava tala noa mo whiohi, I he malai, whakawaha apure anga, whakawaha whonua, mo e whakawhonua. O tatau ai pe, Pe koe hae pui pui tu ane nau tupu ai. Ka maka tuunga I he tuunga whakaako mo lava mea. O tau a hono toi whaafoki mai o Faa'imata mo tau whanonga ke tau walungo fulu o apiako ma olunga Tonga. Koe whakakaukau I whakamanatu mo whakaakeake o ngahi whakakaukau te whito I mo oni mo ngahi ulunganga mahu inga na e tanu sia aki ai apiako ma olunga o Tonga. Na e hoko a Faa'imata pea e kei hoko ai pe ia ko a whakailonga ki he kauako tutuku kotoa pe mo I kauako lolo Tonga ai uhinga maarie o I kihererei taha. O whakafoki mai e Faa'imata e ngahi manata me rie pea e hoko ia ko hamea ke whai ak hatala noa. Koe kauako tutuku ko ia na nau tupu hake o I kai ha Faa'imata e ka mata rewa hamo whanonga fo'ou. Koe ngāwe KOENI, koe whamo'onia ki he Faa'imata ko aka I he kauako tutuku. Pea mo e tau pore I ho tau tuku whakaholo. Ki he rerei taha. Koe whakakakano ia o mea kotoa pe o kulelei mo whakaholo mamata I he mo ui ai Tonga. Neongo pe koe whē ai wheitu o tau nofo ai pe ngā ue ai I MAMANI. E I heni mau pe ai Faa'imata ke tari rerei ki tau tolu ki o tau api. Whatauange ke ne tu kari mo pore mau pe koe whatata mo oni ai moto o I kihererei taha. Kawa, nua, sangone mo terea tau whai ha whakaapa o whaka.
Whawhetai maukoloa tain princess. Tau kata ki toi oange ha pasipasi. Mai tahi. I beg for your indulgence. We have some entertainment to pass the time while we serve your refreshment for this afternoon. And we have a ma'ulu'ulu from the Tonga High School ex-students of Tongatapu. They put their hands up to be here today because they knew how important this project is. Kātaki mai e kau kuris tutuku, but okay taimi pea ke tuku homo vai. Aloha va.
Tulo atu ula matatoa. Fua ma'amalo atu e ngahi whatapu hanu kotoa. Kore atu ki e kau whaiwa kene e yako tutuku ke mo lava mai. E kou whia whakahoko atu ula matatoa. Hia lau he koe lea e koe himi tahanima. Nā hao mo si sue lotu leirei. Kau toton ke lau maari. Ta koe ves whakao si o pehe lotu kia si supe amanaki. Ke whakamore mo ririu. Ta koe ririu weni he POLOKALAMA. Ki unu hake ua ke uraki ke kume. Ta koe kore e whakamore pe mo ririu. Ika ke ngatai ula matatoa. Koe ne asi ko he POLOKALAMA. Koe maa ulu. Ako te ki I tānaki atu me koe whakamore. I he ririu weni e ta. Ne pehe e futahelu. Ne ai e whaiwa whakatonga na ui koe me la polo. Ia kono whai whakamui taha I tonga ni he taha fitu. Hono tari o se miskuki. Ko ne toki toi tu o wā eni. Koe me la polo eni taha ne princess. Wa pau ku whakafofonga e he tunga fine mātua mo e mātua koe ni ako tutuku. Whamore atu. Ko loto le rei pe e palesteni. Ke whiri mai pe le rei taha. Ke whakafofonga atu atu. Te ku fe ho mo me mai. Na tali be he kansolo. Ko whakafo whataha pēn. Te fe a whau. Ne maurere atu ki o kalani ki he whamanatu e tau whitunga furu mahiwa. Te whakahoko ai e ki whaiwa KOENI. Te me mai e lupe pau. Pawati. Te aha wheitu ke whakaao ngai ai whai wan fu whakaofo ofa. Tu kau te whimata mua pe ke tahine. Koe tanu pou. Koe me la polo e ni ula matatoa. Ia koe le rei taha pēna koe kau ako tutuku. Whimatua koe nā mua mea. Mou ravat ko mou whakotuanga kau whaima. Koe mea koe ne uhinga koe ke uien koe maa uruaki. O koe ke hana whai ke tā. Koe mea ne uia koe me la polo. Te koe no wā ula matatoa. O koe hana wā he ngai a ona. Ka tuke motuan ke ki whakotua at pehe. Ta koe mau pia kau tā mea pa tuku mai ka mawahi ai. Tulou.
Malo, tani ne ke tipo tai mai motor he kau Kristo tuku koi me no sila. Ka ko tu pe ko ne a ke tau val no ke tau ka hau to ke he ange tau fai va ta to. Ka ko fai va ku hoko mai ta hine ko si whanau ako, nau loto pe ke nau kau, i he whakame ite ko ia ke wheitu una i he whatāni. Aia o ku whakahoko ato ai e whanau ako form fitu, ha laka laka. Ka tako e ko tau o lunga. Ai, head girl, pia mo kau matapure, malo.
Malari hatani me he ak malunga tonga o wau tangpo o tau a Faa'imata fo me he ak malunga o kia tau lunga ko ni ko matapure lahi fesine ka ma ka tokon matapure no ka to finga mo toko valu no ka we fa me te hatani ko toko se foki ai Faa'imata fa ko ka Kristo tuku ma ka waka tutuku e mahai nga Tongatapu ya hoko to be mo fa me te no tongani ki he whanawa ko Lolotonga ko matapure lahi fesine e foki ki tonga ka matapure fesine kaya ko ka ulangi tua ko ko ngate ya ka fai ako pure ako be me ka fai ako ka ma whanawa ko kala vai fai va ko ni ana taf mala e ni ai ka wa ko tutuku i va whanua Tongatapu ya mai ko ya ki he Lolotonga ni ko taulunga ka matapure taki mai matapure lahi fesine ya kala va ya ko laka ai ako Lolotonga ka ko form fitu hoka to pe taulunga to lahi
Eva
Malo ai whai whatongia poto pule ako. A pehe ki he kaumata pule whiwhine o e api ako. Wha more more pe tahine whakaloloa. Loto pe pea moe form fitu. Ke nao whakaosi a lewa ai wha me ite o e hoa koe ni. A ke tā nau ki lakalaka koe ni. Malo.
I he hoa ni koe lakalaka ni. Lakalaka TOKOLOHEA ni. Ai form fitu. Form fitu ai ako anga maalunga Tonga. Nau mau makiloto. I he lotonga ni. Hoka toi pe punaki. Moe kau langi tua I he hoatani.
Tokanga, te teu fua, te teu tā. Fua ua.
Malo e whai wa whanau. Pea, pe Tonga High School uia pe he ipe. O kore heni ki he minista ako leo leo, po kama mediku, kene whahoko atu. A he whamalo i he whewhini.
Mafi. Tapu ke tahine Princess Pule. Princess Sao te mafleo pila rev tuit. Tapu heni ke ikpare mia leo leo. Kau tapu liam Latu. Tapu ke Palestine aku TUTUKU. Tapu heni ke Palestine PTA. Tapu heni ke kau takilotu. Kau koristutuk. Tapu heni ke maf. Kau mai tau whanau ako. Tamu amu motuan ke whaibea ki rea wawe. Ko ngā pe ke whakahounga. Ko tariangi ke tau POLOKALAMA e aho. Ko kore pe ula tu pe mua ke whahoko ate ki whatongiani. Ki rea whapapalangi. Today we gather not merely to break ground, but to plan a landmark. A symbol of time that will one day stand in our beloved Tonga High School. As we prepare to celebrate our 80th anniversary next year, the Faa'imata clock tower is more than brick and mortar. It is a promise to honor our past, to mark our present, and to guide our future. The anniversary is a mirror held up to time. 80 years is a long conversation between generations. A story written in chalk, rugby tries, Shakespeare's, and the quiet dignity of our Tongan values. A clock does not just tell time, it teaches time. It reminds us that every second is a gift, every minute a responsibility, and every hour a chance to build something worthy of those who came before us. This tower will stand in quiet faithfulness. In its electronic face, a steady beacon for our school. It will not ring or chime, but in its silence, it speaks louder than any call. Every growing number will one day witness early morning study, midday laughter, and even evening prayers. It will mark our milestone, not with noise, but with constancy. A reminder that the most profound moments often arrive without fanfare, yet shape us forever. The clock face will look in four directions. Just as Tonga High School has sent its students to the four corners of the world. Its hand will move forward, never backward, reminding us that while we honor our history, we must never be prisoners of it. And in its silent, steady growth, it will echo the heartbeat of a school that has shaped leaders, healers, thinkers, and even dreamers. Your Royal Highness, Princess Salo de Mafileo, Pilorev Tuita, your presence here today crowns this occasion with grace and dignity. In Tongan tradition, your rank is a living connection to our monarchy and our heritage. But more than that, your presence says that time, our time, this school's time matters. We are deeply humble and grateful. To our ex-students, you are the living chapters of our history. Your generosity and love for this school have made this tower possible. To our principal, parents, and teachers, you are the hands that shape each hour. And to our students, you are the reason we build for tomorrow. Thank you for filling this day with joy and purpose. And let me end with a story. A wise builder once asked, how do you build something that lasts. He picked up one single stone and said, I do not think of the finished wall. I think only of placing this stone well. Then the next and the next. For a world that only stands for generation is not built in a day. It is built in 1,000 faithful moments. Today we place the first stone of this clock tower. It will not ring, but it will remain. And when it finished next year during our 80th anniversary, may it remind us that great things are not built by wishing, but they are built by showing up day after day and laying its stone with love. Taine princess, whakawhetai o whakalanglangi e mau ki ngau e waiwaini. Whamalo at ke Palestini, pai ako tutuku, we kawa o tutuku. Kau maa ngai mātua, we Palestini KOENI IPTA. Whamalo at umafi mo whanau ako. Pa whatawange pe ke kei monui ai pe, ai ako maalunga o Tonga. Lewe.
Malo, Minister. We have come to the conclusion of our program for today. And the closing hymn is hymn number 24 from the Tonga High School hymn book. And the president of the PTA, Salote Sisfa, will read out the hymn. Thank you.
I ask that our last hymn, Your Royal Highness, distinguished guests, will be read and we will conduct it sitting down. Malo. Our last hymn from hymn 24 of the Tonga High School hymn, and it reads, Tell me the old story of unseen things above, of Jesus and his glory, of Jesus and his love. Tell me the story simply as to a child, for I am weak and weary and helpless and defiled. Tell me the old story. Tell me the old story. Tell me the old story of Jesus and his love. Tell me the same old story when you have cause to fear that this world's empty glory is costing me too dear. Yes, and when that world's glory is dawning on my soul, tell me the old story, Christ Jesus makes thee whole. Tell me the old story, tell me the old story. Tell me the old story of Jesus and his love.
Hei ke pao la mano la tā puak. Hei pēko e mai moa. La kōnga whanua. E tānoa ke tānoa pēko e tānoa o e a whiang. Koe ngahi pāre mo e kakala o e mama nun mo vete ko e osi pepe auha. Ka koe maulo tū pe ia. E kamata aki pe a whama opo aki ai tala ki e a whiang. Aki tamasi ma ki tahine tonga hai ko tope. Oi kai ke ngata ai hako ka mo ngā oe i mamani. Kau mau tamu at ki lang. Tāpa ki nai ne a whio. Tamako tu pau ono. Tahine kuini na nas pau. Tahine en ko pilorevu. Salot te mafre o pilorevu. Whafongai. E whare e tui. Ka motonga ko tope. Malo i kuna. Whafoki atu a lang ko tope ke a whion. Pero igreja e ko si sukalaisi o whae o tua. Wheohi o la mari e maanioni. Te tau tau ko tope whaipia tangata. Amen.
Tonga High School. 3 cheers for the Princess Royal. Hip hip. Louder. Hip hip. Hip hip. Malo.
Koe lau kakato ia, e au tanu pou, o e tau a Faa'imata fou, e ako maalunga tonga. O sia e ngahi aho whakoloa koeni, ke hoko atu e pia e ngahi kātoa ngā, i he whawhanua i tonga eiki. Mea te whalanglangi a honi, tahine Princess Pure, Princess Charlotte Mafre o Pilorevu Tuita. Whawhiawa tuki ai ek minister ko reo, Honorable Huakama Meriku, pe ki he presidente e Kosirio, kau whata atu mo e paremia reo, o e whanua, Honorable Tongatapu William Waske Latu, e whoki ki a Tongatapu Whakamafi, Tongatapu whawhikau, Tongatapu taria ni mei tolu, ia mo e toenga o e Kosirio, whawhiwhia ngau e anga e honi. Taitari mo whawhiawa atu he whanau ako, e ongo kauhala, ai whawhiawa. Whamalo ia whoki ai ngau e anga e honi, malawa rei a hono whamafola atu. O e whamafola whangatonu, o au whaistoria koeni, o e anga lilei a Tokatapu SIMIONE LOLOHEA. Tokatapu SIMIONE LOLOHEA, mo LAUTALA LASIKE, koe ongo tangatani, koe ongo helo ia tautahiwa, toa ko tautahiwa whitu alu. Tea he na loto lelei, ke whamafola atu a ngā weni, ko malo ia atu he Broadcom FM 87.5 podcasting, ko ka live stream 1, ai kutia ke whamalo ia o mongo family, Tokatapu SIMIONE LOLOHEA, ke LAUTALA LASIKE. Toa koe tautahiwa whitu alu. Koe whamalo ia ko ho ngau e hoatani. Me he ako maalunga tonga one si saloni ke whoki ki aripate kisi e mau whakatawanga pe na e au lele iatu ke he o tonga ni ono katoa ke whoki o murina ai tau whamafola ko au whiriso nuku whine anofo ke mau tatawa tu he malo apito mou mea mai ka mou mea